My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove pop-ups by the site Defender-pro-2022.xyz. This is a misleading pop-up attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make people scared about the condition of their computers. Some versions of these pop-ups also may collect some browsing-related data like name, surname, email address, and other information. But in general, these pop-ups are absolutely faulty. They are not related to any decent security software. Instead, they tend to promote some potentially unwanted applications. So, if you see these fake alerts, don't tolerate them. We recommend that you carefully research the control panel and uninstall any programs which might be suspicious. We also recommend that you research your system with the help of reliable antivirus software, such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then begin researching your system with its help in order to detect and eliminate other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.